Welcome to the What is Coilpack video. We're excited to chat about what Coilpack is, but before we do, we feel it's important to talk about why Coilpack. Why did we build it this way? And to do that, we're going to start by talking about coupled and decoupled architectures in software. Let's jump in. What do we mean when we talk about coupling? We're really describing how things connect with each other. Some things we want to be tightly coupled. For instance, a chain is designed to be tightly coupled. Its sole purpose is to connect two things. For instance, if a ship is chained to a dock, you really want that coupling in place. Legos, on the other hand, are really designed to be loosely coupled. They allow us to unleash our imagination and build almost anything. Tightly coupled components in software are pieces of code that are built for a specific interaction, and they're highly dependent on each other. They're not meant to be separated. An example of this is an API, maybe an API for MailChimp. Its sole purpose is to save a contact or save an email address with MailChimp. In contrast, a loosely coupled component allows for flexibility by defining a contract that can be fulfilled in different ways. So going back to our email example, a loosely coupled component might be one where you have a function that says save email, and behind the scenes, we configure it to use MailChimp or create send or something along those lines. There's really reasons for both. Loose couplings can almost always seem appealing, but it's often an unnecessary abstraction, and building for flexibility can be a waste of time. So how does this relate to ExpressionEngine? We're going to talk about a few areas or concepts that are tightly coupled and some that are loosely coupled. Field types and template tags, they're tightly coupled with a templating language. Backend content is tightly coupled to templates for display. Cache and sessions, however, are loosely coupled to a storage layer. This is done through an interface that implements drivers such as files or Redis or Memcache. Great, so do we need to make any changes? We believe the answer is yes. The community has expressed interest in support for multiple templating languages and to decouple their ExpressionEngine content from the templating language that renders it. Twig and GraphQL are two solutions that we have repeatedly heard requests for. There can also be challenges in decoupling though. ExpressionEngine is built around its innovative templating language. This custom language makes it easier for users to write human-readable templates without programming experience. Quite frankly, a lot of ExpressionEngine's success has come due to this templating language. However, sometimes a strength can also be a weakness. Developers often want a choice in how they write templates. Different languages can make certain tasks easier. So why can't we just add Twig support right into the core? Composer require Twig, right? The templating language is tightly integrated with core components. A specific example of this is how field types and modules often directly manipulate a template string. And this is not conducive to supporting multiple templating languages. Taking something that's tightly coupled and refactoring it for a loose coupling can be difficult and messy, especially when you don't control all of the code that depends on that tight coupling. A perfect example of this would be third-party field types and add-ons. So this is a problem we've been thinking about for a while now. Our solution is called Coilpack. Coilpack is a new product that offers support for using your ExpressionEngine content in Twig, GraphQL, Blade, and even more contexts. By creating a new product that can optionally be used with ExpressionEngine, it allows us to leave the ExpressionEngine core as is and maintain its high stability. It also allows for a higher level of flexibility with fewer constraints as we move Coilpack forward. Coilpack is a composer package that creates a bridge between Laravel and ExpressionEngine. For those not familiar with Laravel, it's one of the, if not the most powerful and popular PHP frameworks available. Coilpack can be installed alongside the Laravel framework version 8 and up, and it works with ExpressionEngine version 7. It allows you to harness the powerful Laravel ecosystem to bring your ExpressionEngine content forward in new ways, and we hope you're as excited about it as we are.